Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change bank account on Wix. Let's get started. So, by bank account, we are actually pertaining to the payment methods that we will actually integrate in order to receive payment. So, in order to change those payment methods, we just need to scroll down to our left sidebar right here and click on Settings. Now, under the settings, we should be able to see this Accept Payments. So, click on this Accept Payments right here. And if you already connected your bank account, you can actually see disconnect instead of connect right here. Just click on this disconnect and then add a new payment method that you want. So for example, you want to make PayPal your primary payment method instead of bank, you can actually just click on disconnect right here. And then in here, you can see the PayPal feeds as well as your to-do list or the step-by-step on how to connect your PayPal account. So just put in your email address, click on connect, and then log into your PayPal account. Now let's head over again to our setting. Now we can also accept manual payments or more payment options right here. It actually depends on what country you are using. So for me, I am in the Philippines, so I am using Philippine payment method. So for me, I have HitPay, DragonPay, online payments, or this payment wall. So just choose one, click on connect. And once you have clicked on connect, you will be able to see the fees as well as the step-by-step on how to connect it. Just fill out every information right here and click on connect option. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.